Coming to tennis court oath, due to all these situations, what happened was there's something happened like tennis court oath. Then they met at a nearby indoor tennis court and they swore never to separate until they created a constitution. So that is the third class people, the third estate people. They gathered in a tennis court nearby, indoor tennis court nearby, and they swore, they took a promise that they are not going to separate until the constitution was created. Great fear, peasant revolt that happened during 1789. Rumors that the king and the nobles were sending their military to attack peasants, pillage their land, and put down the revolt. So there were rumors that was spread that nobles and the king were going to attack the peasant, and so this peasant revolt braked during 1789. The third estate acted on a rumor that king was planning a military coup against the National Assembly. The third estate attacks the Basel because it has gunpowder and weapons they need to fight the revolution. Storming the Basel during July 14, 1789. 18 died during this time, 73 wounded, 7 guards were killed. It held 7 prisoners, 5 ordinary criminals and 2 madmen. Then came the bread riots. What is the bread riots? People were hungry. The country was broke. Marie Antoinette said, let them eat cake. So that was the final suggestion which was given by the Marie Antoinette, saying that let them eat cake. Because of hunger, the country broke and they started starving. So the final solution which was given by Mary was to eat cake. So this was Mary's necklace, okay, which is $100 million today. Okay, the cost of this necklace is $100 million today. Age of Enlightenment philosophers. So there was a period of enlightenment where philosophical people came into existence during that time. John Locke, Rousseau philosophy, and Voltaire philosophy. 17th and 18th century was the age of enlightenment. So during 17th and 18th century, it was considered to be the age of enlightenment. Enlightenment is to brighten up. So they started thinking differently. Various philosophers put forward their theories for the state to be based on equality and freedom. So the philosophers came and they started talking about equality and freedom. John Locke in his two treatises of government sought to refute the doctrine of the divine and absolute right of the monarch. Rousseau proposed a form of government based on the social contract between people and their representative. In the spirit of the laws, Montesquieu proposed a division of power within the government between the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. So, they wanted all these philosophers, once they came inside, once they started doing their philosophical work, they started saying that things should be changed from the monarchy to the government, which is equal for all three estates people. So they were saying that all three estate people should be considered as a equal, there should be equality created among all three estate people, and there should be a national assembly which is created, under which each and every individual of the nation should be created equally. That was proposed by the philosophers. What were the national symbols of France? So there are few national symbols given here. The broken chain. Chains were used to fetter slaves. A broken chain stands for the act of becoming free. So the broken chain was saying that the slaves become free. So everyone is becoming independent. The bundle of rods or fasces. One rod can be easily broken, but not an entire bundle. So this shows strength lies in unity. The eye within a triangle radiating light. So there was an eye within a triangle that is showing light. The all-seeing eye stands for knowledge. The lights of the sun will drive away the clouds of ignorance. So they believed that the ignorance will be carried away like the clouds, like when there is the light of the sun. Scepter, symbols of royal power. Snake biting its tail to form a ring. Symbol of eternity. A ring has no beginning or end. If you take a circle, the circle will have no beginning. That is the ring. A ring will have a no beginning or an end. That is what they say. Then red Phrygian cap, a cap worn by slave on being free. So this cap will be worn by the slaves when they are set free, when they are independent. Blue, white, red. This was considered to be the national colors flag of France. So blue, white, and red was considered to be the national colors of the France. The winged woman, personification of law. So this is how they personify law. That is this image. This woman, winged woman, is used as a personification of law. Reforms made by National Assembly. What were the reforms made by National Assembly? Why did the National Assembly seize lands from the Catholic Church? So the National Assembly seized the lands from the Catholic Church. Why? What was the reason behind that? Was land was sold to the people and money used to pay down the national debt. So these lands were sold to the people, and the money which they got from that was used to pay down the national debt. Government paid. So after getting the land from those people, government paid the salaries of the French clergy. French clergy are those people who perform the religious work in the churches. So government paid the salaries and maintained the churches. The church was reorganized. The whole of the church was reorganized. The Pope, that is the senior most person of the church, the Pope has had no voice. Appointment of the appointment of the French clergy. It transferred France's Roman Catholic Church into a branch of the state. The National Assembly limited the authority of the king and divided the government into three branches. So, after the National Assembly was created, it limited the authority of the king, and that divided the government into three different branches. One is executive, one is judiciary, and other one is legislative. Coming to this political thing, under this you will see all the declared all males are equal before the law. They limited the power of the monarchy, established the legislative assembly to make law and collect taxes, granted all tax-paying male citizens the right to elect members of the legislative assembly. So according to this political rule, it declared all the males were equal before the law, and they limited the power of monarchy. That is, the kingdom power was limited. And they established the legislative assembly to make law and collect taxes. They granted all tax-paying male citizens the right to elect members of the legislative assembly. So they had got the right to elect members also. Coming to the social and economical effects, it abolished special privileges of the nobility, announced an end to the feudalism. Taxes will be levied on ability to pay them. So they started considering the status of the people, and the taxes were collected only if the people were able to pay the taxes, and more amount of taxes were not imposed on them. So how much were they able to pay? Only that much was collected from those people. Coming to reforms, reforms are changes made to fix the way a government system operates. And then come religious, declared freedom of religion. So the freedom of religion was declared, took over the sold church lands, placed